lucky charms! Welcome to my channel, where arts and crafts pave the way for luck, peace, and positivity. If you watched my previous videos, you'll know I've recently become addicted to wall felting. As you can see here, I made a friend for my little sheep. It's a piglet with a bunny costume. How cute is that? Let's unbox the piglet, shall we? This one is from Temu as well. It's a DIY kit, just like the sheep one, and it comes with everything you need. Let's start! Poke, poke, poke. It's all about poking. Seriously, it's a great outlet to release your emotions if you're in a bad mood. It helps to release the stress and let out any negative emotions. What do you guys think? I love it! Oh, look at the little butt cheek. Buddies, so cute. Which one is your favorite? I love them both. Leave a comment down below, let me know. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Happy crafting!